Try to imagine making $1 for every single click you make. And what if you can learn the secret to turn that $1 per click into $40 with just the same click? You can literally make 40 times more money compared to others by simply using a mobile phone or a computer. I mean, how cool is that? You don't need any difficult technical skill or experience. You don't need to create any video or website. You don't need any social media followers. And in fact, you don't even need any money to start with because this unique strategy is 100% free and it is available worldwide. In this quick video, I will show you everything step by step, including how to sign up for a free account and a lot of different real-life examples on how to do this. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll even give away something really special that will help you make an extra $300 to $500 quickly. So make sure you stay tuned and don't miss out on this video. Hey there! Welcome back to another money-making video from Investment Spot, where we teach you guys how to go from earning nothing to earning money as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be updated whenever I upload new and trendy money-making videos. Also smash that like button and leave a comment below if you have any questions, ideas, or suggestions. Now let's start making money. Now step number 1, I want you to first go onto the website, which is moreniche.com. Once you enter the website, I want you to go ahead and click on this button right on top that says Brands. Once you click on that, that's going to bring you to this page where you can scroll down below and you can look for different companies. For example, Black Wolf, Brutal Force, Fengold, and even Zotrim. Now Zotrim is a very famous company and I'll show you how we can use Zotrim in this method. Now on this website, you can literally promote different companies for different opportunities and you can earn a lot of commissions online. And once again, this is absolutely free. You don't have to invest any money and this is available worldwide. Now I want you to check the Zotrim affiliate program where you can earn up to $40 per sale. Now as I said earlier, I'll show you how to earn $40 per click, and for a lot of people, they're only able to earn $1 per click. So once again, in order to get to that page, all you got to do is click on this link right here. From there, that's going to bring you to the Zotrim affiliate program where you can earn 40% per sale. And in this video, I just want to show you one example using the Zotrim company. Once again, on this website, you can find many different other brands. Now basically on the Zotrim official website, they offer different solutions to help people lose weight. Now with this method, you can become the affiliate and promote all of these products and make sales and commissions again and again. And one of the reasons why I love to promote Zotrim is because they offer fast and free shipping worldwide. That means you're gonna be getting a lot of sales from different countries in the world. A lot of people buy them and they're selling a lot of products. And you could be the one to make commission for every single click. So moving on, let me show you the payment methods and the schedule. Basically, they do bi-weekly payout as you can see here. They pay out on the 1st and the 15th of every month. They can send your payments through different payment methods such as bank transfer, Skrill, wire transfer, and more. So basically, a lot of people with different affiliates from different countries in the world are making really good money to promote Zotrim. If you want to start promoting Zotrim and make commissions, all you got to do is just click on this orange button to join More Niche to start promoting Zotrim. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can create a brand new account. And once again, the registration is 100% free. You don't need to invest any money. Now for the partner type, it is very important that you choose an affiliate. From there, just type in your name, your last name, your email address, and set up a password. Read the policies and the terms and conditions and agree to that. And you can just click on this button to sign up for free. So moving on, I'll show you exactly how you can earn $1 per click and how you can make up to $40 per sale again and again on Zotrim. Now once you have signed up for your free account and you have gotten your affiliate links where you can earn commission, moving on to step 2, I want you to go onto this website, which is findaforum.net. Now once you come over to this website, I want you to go and click on this categories button on top. And from there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different forum categories in different niches. In this video, if we try to promote Zotrim, which is a weight loss product selling company, we need to get attention and traffic to let people click on our link. And for every single click, we can earn $1. And if they make a purchase, we can earn 40% per sale on average. So all you have to do is you need to click on this link, which is dieting and weight loss. Just click on this and that's going to bring you to this page as you can see here. We can find different forums. For example, 3 fat chicks on a diet weight. And right here, another forum called Active Low Carb Forums. You can see a whole list of different forums that you can join and you're going to be getting a lot of people to click on your link. Now say for example, this forum has over 259,000 number of topics and 186,000 members. There are hundreds and thousands of members on all of these different forums, and the strategy right here is that you're gonna join as much forums as possible. And all of them are free and available worldwide. So let's just say if you want to join on this forum, all you have to do is just click on this to visit the forum. And from there, that's going to bring you to the official forum where people are discussing on different topics. They're asking questions, they're giving answers about weight loss, and this is a big opportunity. Right now, you can simply just join this forum and start posting something on these forums where you can do it without any experience as a complete beginner. And once again, if you keep watching, I'll show you the entire copy and paste template that you can use. You can just copy my entire template, and whenever people click on your Zotrim affiliate links, you can earn $1. And when they make a purchase from any product on this website, on average, you're going to be making $40 per click. So make sure you keep watching all the way until the end to get this copy and paste template. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like on this video. This helps me create new money-making videos for you guys. Now let's get back to the video. But right here, I want to show you different forums that you can join. For example, this one. All you have to do is click on this button to visit the forum, and from there, that's going to bring you up to this page. So if you want to sign up for a free account on this forum, all you got to do is just click on this link here called register. That's going to bring you to this page where you need to input a username and set up your password, your email address, and fill out some simple details right here. Once you fill up all your personal details right here, just click on this to complete the registration, and that's how you can join this forum. Once you sign up for a free account, the next thing is that you'll need a post. You need something to post on the forum, and that's why I want to show you this entire copy and paste template that I spent a lot of time preparing. If you want to get your hands on this template, all you got to do is just like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below, and I'll give you this script for free. You can just literally highlight everything and click on copy, and you can just go back to any forum that you want and paste your template right here as a post. You can see there are so many posts that are getting hundreds and thousands of people to click on them. Basically, you're sharing with them the best tips on how to lose weight fast without dieting. You can see here I'm offering 5 different tips on how to lose weight, and that's what people like. Free stuff. You show them free tips and they'll literally trust your recommendation because you're offering free value. You're actually showing yourself as an expert to share some tips with them on how to lose weight. And at the end of your tips, you can actually recommend something to them. You can see here, I included this sentence, check out this natural weight loss solution. And that's where you're gonna plug in your Zotrim affiliate link. So make sure you replace this with your affiliate links. Now once you change all of your affiliates into this template, all you got to do is just highlight everything, copy, and then paste in one forum as a post. You can just go on and repeat this strategy and post to different forums by using this copy and paste template, and whenever people read your post, they're gonna trust you and the forum. And when they click on your affiliate link, you're gonna earn $1, which is crazy. And on top of that, if they eventually buy any one of these products, you're gonna be making up to $40 per sale again and again. And once again, this is a proven strategy. A lot of people from different countries in the world, they are making money commission every single day. So once again, if you want to get your hands on this script, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. and I will send you a personal message to give you the script for free. And that's a wrap. You can now start earning money easily from your home. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and leave a like on this video. I'll see you next time.